आज परवरिम पुलिस स्टेशन ने एक वाइट कॉलर क्रिमिनल को अरेस्ट किया। ही इज अ बैंक फ्रॉडस्टर। He was arrested from Bangalore and now brought to Goa, and he has been remanded for 4 days police custody. Basically, the person belongs to Dharwad in Karnataka. Name is Dilip RDXGOA, son of RDXGOA, age 32 years. बाई एजुकेशन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर है। 2014 मैसूर SJC कॉलेज से पास आउट किया है। द एक्यूज्ड वर्कड इन डिफरेंट इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज। ही टुक द पाथ ऑफ क्राइम इन 2019 and after that he has committed lot of offences. In Goa, he cheated 2 banks, Punjab National Bank and Indian Overseas Bank. Punjab National Bank के manager had given a complaint in Porvorim police station in last year, on the basis of which we had registered an offence under section 419, 468, 471, 420 IPC. And we had taken up investigation. It was a very complicated crime. The basic modus operandi of the criminal was he used to take invoices from car showrooms to submit it to the banks, and in the invoices or quotation he used to change the bank account number to his account number and ask the banks to transfer money to that particular account number. After that, once he received the money, he used to use this money for his purposes, and sometimes he used this money to buy cars, which he used to sell to another person, and from there he used to take further money. So in this particular fraud in which we had registered FIR, he had purchased a Honda Amaze car, and which he had sold it to a person in Belgavi, which we have already seized. And it has come to light that he has already frauded 5 banks in 9 branches. He has done in Karnataka Gramin Bank 2 branches, Bank of Baroda, Indian Overseas Bank in Karnataka 1 branch, in Goa 1 branch, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India 2 branches, and Canara Bank in different years. There are 9 FIRs registered against this accused person, and with the joint efforts of Goa police and Karnataka police, he was arrested and brought to judicial custody. Brought to before the judges today for further investigation. While submitting the quotations to the bank, he used to create different bank accounts. He was forging the invoices or quotations and putting the names of other person. The case in which we have arrested him, he used the name of Shamantak Subrao Kadakodi and a lady's name Kavita Mani Baswaraj. Both of these people have expired long back. When the accused person was interrogated, he revealed that he actually got these details when he was working in those insurance companies. He actually had access to the database of the insurance companies which he was working in the years 2019 to 21. He has worked in 2 insurance companies. He actually used that personal details and made account numbers or Aadhaar cards in his names, and then he used these details to create bank accounts, and he used these details in forging papers and cheating banks. So we have contacted Karnataka police as well, and the investigation is further on. We have found that in investigation one more accomplice is there in the name of a lady, which we suspect to be his wife. Further investigation will reveal those details, and we will take further action.
So how much amount the total fraud is about?
Total fraud account will be close to 72 lakhs. In Goa, he has done 8 lakhs in Punjab National Bank, and same amount in Indian Overseas Bank as well.
How many cases are in Goa and
2 cases in Goa and 7 cases in Karnataka.
How much amount total in Goa?
16 lakhs max.
16 lakhs.
Total it will be close to 75 lakhs.
so
Across the
Yeah.
Goa, Karnataka.
Yes.
vehicles in both cases have been seized?
No, he didn't purchase vehicles in all the cases. In our 2 cases, 1 case he has purchased car, that we have seized. This person actually belongs to a family in Dharwad, in which his brother was involved in IPL betting, and he lost lot of money. So there were a lot of bank accounts pending. This is what he revealed in investigation, and because of that, he had to pay these loans. He started indulging in the crime, and using these fraud mechanisms, he started paying back the money. And in between, what he revealed is like he had an accident also, in which he was driving a car and he was not wearing seat belt. Because he was not wearing the seat belt, the steering hit his body, and his kidney was damaged. And for that kidney operation, he had to again pay money, and he continued in these criminal activities to pay back all these loans.
Insurance company which he has told?
He has taken names of 2 insurance companies. One is Max Bupa and other is Star Health Insurance.
So, pertaining to Goa case, when we purchased the car, is there any from the bank side? Is there any they are like whether they had clearly done the verification and all?
He was actually repaying the loans when we started defaulting. Then the bank started inquiring further, and then they found out that he has been a fraud, and they gave a complaint to us.
So complainant is the bank.
Complainant is a bank manager.